Hello, welcome. Let's look at jamb past questions for government 2018. As you can see, my answers are colored in red. So let's go through this past question, explaining the answers. Number one, power refer to the A. Ability to impose one's will upon others. B. Duties an individual imposes on himself. C. Legal nature of a constitution. D. Duties political parties demand of their registered members. The answer is A. Ability to impose one's will on others. That is what power is. Number two, the creation of more states in Nigeria has A. Eliminated ethnic and religious conflicts. B. Reduced the gap between rich and poor states. C. Increased the powers of the federal government. D. Increased the powers of the state and local government. The answer is A. Eliminated ethnic and religious conflicts. This is one of the major function or major importance or advantage of the creation of more states in Nigeria to eliminate ethnic and religious conflict, because people of the same ethnic group now have their own state to themselves, so they don't cry about marginalization or anything like that. Now let's look at number 3 question. An agency of the United Nations which specializes in the welfare of the children is the UNICEF. The UNICEF takes care of children. The UNICEF is the agency of the United Nations that specializes in the welfare of the children. So let's continue. 4. A society that is politically organized under a government is called A. Sovereign state. B. Community. C. National state. D. Political party. Now, if you talk about a society that is coordinated, they are politically motivated and coordinated together, then you're talking about a political party. Number 5. In the Oyo Empire, the Alafin was A. An absolute monarch. B. Popularly elected. C. A constitutional monarch. D. Worshipped as a deity. You all know that the Alafin for you is actually the monarch that's in charge of your kingdom. So he's actually an absolute monarch. Now let's look at number 6 question. Nigeria broke diplomatic relations with France in 1961 because of A. Her poor relations with Francophone country. B. France atomic test in the Sahara Desert. C. France diplomatic relations with Israel. D. General de Gaulle's negative attitude towards her. So the answer picked here is B. France atomic test in the Sahara Desert. Still have to confirm this very well. In 1991, the African Economic Community Treaty was signed in Addis Ababa, Abuja, Lome, Tripoli. The answer is B. Abuja. Number 8. Based on its objectives, the Organization of African Unity can primarily be classified as A. Social organization. B. A political organization. C. A cultural organization. D. An economic organization. The answer is actually a political organization because it basically manages the polity of the constituent countries, though it also takes economic and social responsibilities. Number 9. The Premier of the Western Region Immediately after independence was who? Who was the premier of the Western region immediately after independence? Is it Chief Obafemi Awolowo A, B. Chief Ladoke Akintola, C. Chief Dr. M.A. Maje Kodumi, D. Alhaji D.S. Adigboro. This is C. Chief Ladoke Akintola. Number question. The article of literalization is A. As of talent, B. Decree, C. By D. Say, and C. By law. Number 11. In 1960, Joshua Skinner School, A. Body, B. One Liberia, C. Chad and Liberia, D. Liberia and Somalia. The answer is D. Liberia and Somalia. 12. A major feature of the system of the government in the Sokoto Caliphate was that A. It was based on custom and traditions. B. It was theocratic. C. It was democratic. D. Power was effectively decentralized. The answer is B. It was theocratic. Noting that the spiritual leader, who is the Sultan of Sokoto, is also the leader of the government. Now let's look at number 13. The goal of the theory of separation of powers is to A. Make events and budget for legislature, B. Give power to the C. Take control of the education judiciary. The trying to look correct secretability when social harmony right and I in the lingo. First citizen was A. B. Sir Abubakar Tafawa Balewa, C. General Yakubu Gowon, D. Alhaji Shehu Shagari. The answer is Alhaji Shehu Shagari D, because Nnamdi Azikiwe was a ceremonial head of state. Now look at number 15. The major difference between a state and a nation is that the latter presupposes a, so what do you see in nation? Homogeneous population. Yes, that's what you see in a nation. So you have option A, heterogeneous, B, homogeneous population, C, well-defined territory, D, more organized system. So the property